It was wonderful coming here for this HR Summit 2022 organized by JIMS, the Summer and HR Club. I think they've done a wonderful job of putting an event like this together.
I am associated with JIMS for last about 25 years, and it was a pleasure coming back and meeting all the students once again. And we discussed a very important and very crucial formula, which is a success formula for almost all the students in future, and that was the CASH formula.
We discussed a lot of important points in terms of what are the new ways of work, what are the new skills. I think this will become extremely relevant for all of them.
It's good to be a part of young minds, it's good to be part of younger generation. So I would definitely like to come as many times as required.
In the way that it was discussed today, in the kind of questions which were asked, I think a lot of students would get insights of what to do, what not to do.
What matters is what you prepare yourself to, meaning whether you are taking care of your communication skills, people management skills, or corporate management skills, and how do you take care of them. And even in that, what matters is what's your own purpose, what's your own intention of life, that what you want to build into.